Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Celsius to Fahrenheit on your Gourmia air fryer. First, ensure your air fryer is plugged in and powered on. Locate the control panel and identify the button specifically designed for temperature unit selection. This button typically features both Celsius and Fahrenheit symbols, like degrees C/degrees F, making it easy to spot. This initial step prepares your device for the unit conversion. Once you have located the correct button, press and hold it down. You will typically need to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. During this time, observe the display screen. You should see the temperature unit toggle from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Release the button immediately once the desired unit, Fahrenheit in this case, is clearly shown on the screen. After releasing the button, take a moment to verify that the display now clearly indicates Fahrenheit, often shown as degrees F. To further confirm, try adjusting the temperature up or down slightly. This action should confirm that the air fryer is now operating and displaying temperatures in Fahrenheit. If the unit did not change, simply repeat the previous steps until it does. Remember that specific Gourmia models might have slight variations in their control panel layout or button functions. Always refer to your air fryer's user manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions tailored to your exact model. This ensures you follow the correct procedure for your device. Also, for safety, always unplug your air fryer before performing any cleaning or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.